I will be discussing with you SOGI SE kasi with regards to mental health which is my advocacy, malaki yung kinalaman ng sexual orientation, gender identity, expression, and sexual characteristics. Ang webinar na to is for you to know, no? I-explain ko yung SOGI SE and malalaman ninyo yung SOGI SE ninyo after this webinar. The more we become aware of diversity, the more invisible it becomes. Nalaman natin na iba-iba yung SOGI SE natin, di ba? Pero habang nare-realize din natin na para-pareho pala kaming tao. When you see a light, it's not just white. Now, when you see a man, when you see a woman, always remember they are more than their genders. Q&A muna tayo, insights muna tayo. Yes, si Mark, you have something to say.
Identifying your gender is really important. Since napag-aralan din po namin sa Gender Society, sobrang halaga po talaga ng gender na malaman at magkaroon tayo ng awareness within ourselves.
One of my takeaways doon sa ating SOGI discussion is that regardless of your gender, regardless of your sex, or regardless of your gender, what matters most is your pagkakakilala mo sa sarili mo.
Ang big misconception po natin, general po these days is, ang SOGI is about ang SOGI is about LGBTQ community. Upon going po to this webinar, parang mas napalawak pa po ang insights and understanding ko na everyone is part or has SOGI SC